So it's a pocket screw clamp thingy. And this is a giant clamp that you clamp 1, 2, and B, and C, and A. You would use these two for a fat piece of wood, for a thin piece, and for a small piece of wood, you would use B and C. Okay, now I have to clamp this in.
Slippy says clamps sometimes pinch fingers, so be careful.
There we go. Now we can do screws in it because I want to show them how it works to do screws in it.
Kevin says Seb used an impact driver, but you could use a regular drill too.
That also catches the little piece of wood. Here, this. This actually could be helpful. This is a special bit that fits right in those holes. Yeah, so these are blue screws that you can put on here. That the tops look so weird. That can actually go right through those holes there. I'm gonna put it in right here. Okay, ready to drill in, Dada.
Kevin says an impact driver bangs on the screw to help it go in.
Good.
Cool.
That's a pocket screw jig. Hey there, I can actually use it for my cars. We discovered something that I can actually use this for my cars. They could jump off, then go on here, and then I could pretend they could bang into that little pipe, and pretend there's like a little pipe there, touching out there, and that's the pipe, and then they could go inside the pipe right on those sides, then they open the hey, that I think that'd be nice. Then she did something. She just did something. Hey,